Tech is a huge part of our kids' lives, and that's not changing anytime soon. As parents though, we just want to make sure that they're using it safely and within healthy boundaries. Microsoft Family Settings gives you simple tools to manage screen time, set limits, and keep an eye on how devices are being used across Windows PCs and Xbox. So let's get everything set up so it works the way that you want it to. Before you start, make sure that you've got a Microsoft account for yourself and one for your child. They're free to create, so if one or both of you don't have one, then head to www.signup.live.com and follow the steps there. Once that's sorted, head to the Microsoft Family Settings website by going to account.microsoft.com/family or download the Family app from the Microsoft Store and use your Microsoft account to sign in. This is your main dashboard for everything that you'll manage. To add your child to the family group from the main dashboard here, choose Add a Family Member, select Member and enter your child's Microsoft email. Send the invite and help them accept it from their email account if needed. As soon as they're in, you'll see their profile appear on your dashboard. You can also add them from Windows by going to Settings, Accounts and then Family and clicking Add Someone. Now open Settings on the PC that your child is using and go to Accounts. In Windows 11, you'll see Family or Other Accounts. If they're using a local account on the PC, which is the one that doesn't require an email to set up, make sure to switch it to their Microsoft account that you've just added to the family group. Family Safety can't track screen time or app usage without it, so it's important to follow this step to get all the features. While you're there too, double check that they're a standard user and not an administrator, otherwise they'll be able to make changes to the account. Now open your child's profile in the Family Safety dashboard. This is where everything comes together and you can start setting healthy digital boundaries. You'll see options for screen time, apps and games, and activity reporting. Before setting limits, turn on activity reporting with this switch. This gives you a clear picture of how the device is going to be used, including app usage and supported web activity. It's a good way to understand their habits before you start adjusting anything. At the top here, you'll find tabs for Windows PCs or Xbox consoles. Select the device you want to set a screen time for and then scroll down to view a graph on their current activity. Screen time limits help create predictable routines. Kids know when they can play, when they need to take a break, and when it's time to just switch off for the day. It also cuts down on the endless "just one more minute" conversations that pretty much every parent knows all too well. For each day, choose the allowed hours and total screen time. For example, you might allow 2 hours on school nights and a bit more at the weekend. If they hit their limit, they can request extra time and you'll get the notification in your email so that you can decide instantly whether to approve or not. Next, head to Apps and Games. Here you'll see a list of everything they've used recently and be able to set limits. App limits help you separate fun from focus. You can keep school tools available all day while putting boundaries around games or entertainment apps. It stops certain apps from taking over their free time and it helps them build healthier habits. Pick an app or game you want to manage and turn on limits for it. You can see how many hours per day it can be used and the time window it's available. You can also choose to completely block an app or game if you think it would be appropriate. If an app doesn't appear yet, it just means it hasn't been opened on the device. If you want more control over what they can access, then content filters are necessary. Content filters help protect kids from seeing things that they're just not ready for yet. It keeps their online experience age appropriate and it gives you a bit of peace of mind without needing to constantly monitor what they're doing. On the Edge tab, you can turn on web filtering and block or allow specific websites. Click on Settings at the top and you can set an age rating limit so that anything above that rating is automatically blocked. Web filtering works best in Microsoft Edge, so if you want stricter controls, you may want to consider blocking other browsers so that they can't get around the filters. Once you've set everything up, it's worth testing it. Sign into the child's account, open an app that should be limited and check the dashboard to see if the activity shows up. If it doesn't update straight away, give it a moment or restart the device. And now you're all set up. Microsoft Family Settings gives you a simple way to guide how your child uses their Windows PC or their Xbox. With screen time rules, app limits and content filters in place, you're creating a safer and more balanced digital space for them without needing to constantly hover over their shoulder. If you found this helpful, give the video a like so that more parents can find it. And if you want more Windows tips, safety guides or setup walkthroughs, then make sure to hit subscribe so that you don't miss the next one. But that's all from me today. I'll see you soon. Bye!